In a bustling city, there lived a man named David who owned a small but cozy bookstore tucked away in a quiet corner. David loved books not just for their stories, but for the wisdom they imparted. Every day he greeted his customers with a warm smile and shared recommendations based on their interests. One day, a young woman named Emily stumbled upon David's bookstore. She had been going through a tough time, recently laid off from her job and feeling lost. Emily wandered through the aisles, running her fingers over the spines of books, hoping to find solace in their pages. David noticed Emily's somber demeanor and approached her gently. "Is there something specific you're looking for?" he asked with a kind smile. Emily sighed. "I'm not sure. I just feel so stuck right now. I thought maybe a good book could help." David nodded knowingly. "Let me recommend something." He led Emily to a shelf and handed her a book titled The Power of Perspective. Emily raised an eyebrow. "What's this about?" David chuckled softly. "It's about seeing life's challenges from different angles. Sometimes a change in perspective is all we need to find our way." Intrigued, Emily took the book and thanked David before heading home. That evening, she curled up on her couch and began to read. As she turned each page, she found herself captivated by the stories of people who had faced adversity with courage and resilience. Their journeys inspired her to rethink her own situation. Days turned into weeks, and Emily visited David's bookstore regularly. Each time they would discuss the books she had read, and David would offer insights that helped Emily see her challenges in a new light. Slowly, she started to believe in herself again and began exploring new career opportunities with renewed enthusiasm. One afternoon, Emily walked into the bookstore with a radiant smile. "David," she exclaimed, "I wanted to thank you. Your bookstore and your recommendations have changed my life. I've found a new job that I'm passionate about, and I feel more hopeful than ever." David smiled warmly. "I'm glad to hear that, Emily. Remember, life may throw us curveballs, but it's how we choose to respond that defines us." Emily nodded thoughtfully. "Yes, it's all about perspective, isn't it?" As Emily left the bookstore that day, she carried with her not just a new book, but a newfound sense of hope and resilience. David watched her go, knowing that in his small way, he had made a difference in someone's life. And as he turned back to his shelves of books, he knew that each one held the power to inspire, uplift, and change lives, one perspective at a time.